Brilliant. Okay. Good morning, one and all, and welcome to day 2 of the COMIT conference. Obviously, we're the same hosts we were yesterday. Anybody here who is their first day today who wasn't here? Okay, fantastic.
Welcome.
So if you've not met me before, sorry, the rest of you, Ian Miskimin, I sort of chair up bits of COMIT, and my co-host,
I'm Stuart Young.
So firstly, obviously, the welcome, which is always useful. Welcome to the day. Got some really, really good lineups today. We've got 3 tracks running and lots of exhibitors to go and talk to, and also the Unity breakout rooms to go and have a look at some of the tech and some of the cool things that they've been doing over the last few years. Housekeeping.
So fire exits, I'm going to say there and there, just outside through the door on the left. Toilets are just round through the door that you came in. We have a fire alarm, which is at 11 o'clock, and we have a slide for that.
No.
But I'll go through that in a second. So for the sign-in, come build with Unity. Okay? I'm sure a lot of you got that from yesterday, but for those that haven't,
Wi-Fi, get on the social media and use the hashtag commit 2024 to talk about what you've been seeing today.
There was a lot went on social media yesterday, but Paul, maybe you can give us the figures of who did what yesterday? Later. Okay. Thank you for those that did participate in that. And there it is, hashtag commit 2024. So mention that 11 o'clock, fire alarm. It shouldn't go on for any more than 15 seconds. Okay.
Yeah. And if it does go on for more than 15 seconds, we used to need the whereabouts is the meeting point, by the way, Max? Okay, out the front of the building and across the road. Brilliant. Cheers, bud. We do need to thank, and we don't even just need to thank, we really would love to thank both Shell and Unity for sponsoring today. Shell being our platinum sponsor, and also driving some of the really cool projects we've got going on at the moment, like the advanced work packaging project.
Yes.
And also, obviously, the Unity team for their incredible support over not just these 2 days, but for the run up to these 2 days. The amount of work that's gone in to getting this place prepared, and what a place.
Indeed.
Yeah, it's just amazing. Thank you, Max, and all your team.
Who had a pizza? Show of hands last night. Come on. I know there was more of you. Who had 2 pizzas? Oh, yeah, 2 pizzas. There you go.
Pizzas.
What a setup. Amazing.
Talking of last night, a remarkable ebook of some sort was left behind. Is anybody missing one? No. Okay, that'll go on eBay. Thanks.
In the raffle.
That'll pay my expenses. Jolly good.
So, thank you to Andrew for breakfast. It was very nice. Where's Andrew? I've just seen him. There he is. Thank you, Andrew. Fantastic pastries. And thank you very much to Sunbelt for the registration. Thank you. We got any Sunbelt people in the room? Yes.
Yeah, you got the 2 at the back.
Hi, Molly and Jazz. Thank you.
Right. Gold sponsors, and also those people who will be exhibiting over here. Go and find Site Sense, the Spot guys, Mortar, and the Royal Engineers. Go and find them, go and talk to them, find out a little bit more about them, because they've got some incredible things that they are doing, and I think some really valuable pieces, not only experience and knowledge, but some very valuable technologies that you can use to help with your business.
Indeed.
So go and have a chat to them and see what they can do for you. Of course, we got also, sorry, it's not of course. Also, we got the IFS guys, the Henson Thomas Associates, Machine Max and Fulcro, who have been supporting us, all of these, for quite a while now with various podcasts, but also are sponsoring us here today and yesterday. So those who weren't here yesterday, you got the lineup of where everything are. We are standing here. Well, Stuart's sort of over here and I'm sort of down here-ish. Okay. And you are somewhere in one of these bits here, just so you know exactly where you are. Kenny, where's the bar? Over there. Oh, is it? You know where it is? Okay, fair enough. Bar area is over here. Go and talk to the IFS team. They're going to be near the bar. You got the lifts where you came in, emergency stair exits here and here. Okay. And you've also got track 2 and track 3 and the far side, as well as the Unity Experience Lounge and the Centre of Excellence. Go and find these guys in the break. My word, they've got some incredibly cool stuff. I like cool things. I like new geeky tech stuff. And I'm pretty normally up to date with everything that's going on. But having a chat with these guys is, whoa, hang on a minute. I didn't know those kind of things could be done. That's awesome. Go and do it.
Try on a
Talk to
headset. You'll be amazed.
Yeah. Go and have a chat.
Okay. That's over to Emma now. Thank
Indeed.
you, Emma.
Oh, there you go.
Hello, it was just a brief moment to mention the Commit to Innovation group. Basically, we've got a group that we're starting up. We want to understand how we can help you to enable our community to innovate. So please, can I all ask you to get on this QR code, fill in the very short form, just so we can get some more information and ensure we're doing the right thing. And if you want to get involved, there's an option to leave your details if you would like to join our group. That's it. Thank you.
Right, good morning, everyone. Thank you, Stuart. Right, here we go. Too many things in my hands. So today's lineup, we are kicking off with a keynote from Jack from Unity. He's going to show you some bloody awesome stuff around digital twins, AI, just be excited. It's good fun. I think he's even going to try and do a live demo, which you never do at events. Oh, he's telling me to be quiet. It's going to be fun. We've got the Comms 5G session, some great speakers and some really interesting engagements already. Just hearing the bar talk last night, lots of interested people. We've got digital twins technologies, not giving things away, but there's some really cool stuff here, really big engineering as well. We've got a sustainability panel, really important. We've got Katie Dobson here in the audience, and Josh Eady and Amy Law. And we then have lunch and networking. So like yesterday, we have etiquette. So you go in there and you come out there, and then people don't crash into each other. So you all very well behaved yesterday. So thank you very much. And in the afternoon, we've got MMC, Modern Methods Construction. We've got our Safety Wellbeing panel, and we've got our open mic session, which has got some really interesting stuff on it too. The Unity Host Showcase. Janali, are you in the room? Yep, she's at the back, she's waving. Excellent. Janali and her team are running the Unity Centres of Excellence room. Well worth you going along, having a chat to them, finding out how you can engage real-time 3D into projects and getting your projects kick-started. And then Jack and his team in the Unity Experience Lounge. So they've got, well, you've got Vision Pro in there from Apple. So go try the latest mixed reality stuff on your head. That's very cool. So technology willing, here we go. No, come on, you did these slides. Remember what order they're in. Expression of interest. We had quite a few responses yesterday, and thank you very much. What we're looking for is our communities based on our members basically engaging and well, you're all here, which is awesome. We're always looking for speakers. We're always looking for people to host events, whether that's a two-day conference or a one-day community day. And we're looking for sponsors of the events as well, and just general volunteers. So please scan that code. Just tell us how you'd like to engage with us, because we thrive from your engagement. So thank you very much. And then, yes, right, mental health. I did talk on this briefly yesterday. I'm going to show the same videos, so apologies if you were in the room yesterday, but really worthwhile. This is a brand new initiative, and it's been partnered with the BBC, so we're really spreading the word far and wide. But get Construction talking, and I'll let them explain a bit more about it.
I'm somebody who never really labelled it as mental health. I never really thought I had a mental health problem. I thought I was just having bad days, but I still found myself.
I'm the tech person. What the hell?
It's not an easy thing to say. It's not an easy thing to talk about. It was incredibly isolating.
There we go. Right, start that again.
I'm somebody who never really labelled it as mental health. I never really thought I had a mental health problem. I thought I was just having bad days, but I still found myself struggling with depression. It's not an easy thing to say. It's not an easy thing to open up about. It was incredibly isolating. I remember thinking that I didn't want anyone to know what I was going through because I wanted to be a strong dad, strong husband, strong leader in my company, and showing weakness just felt like something I couldn't ever do. And I remember getting to the stage where that cycle of despair was so great that I almost hit rock bottom. When you hit rock bottom, it's actually quite a good foundation to build off. And I rebuilt my life from scratch. I had nothing left to lose. I opened up, started talking, shared my story to try something different. Now I'm at the stage where I'm trying to share that story with other people so that they can see that it's okay to talk about it and that things can get better. I think we need to break the stigma about talking about it. This doesn't make you weak, it makes you stronger. And we all have mental health, good and bad. We can all have good and bad days. We need to talk about this. We need to recognize that opening up, talking about how you're feeling, admitting that you're struggling with stuff is not a weakness. It's something that makes you stronger. If we all did that, we would break the stigma, start to make an impact on this issue overnight.
I think being aware of the environment you're going into is a big thing. That banter environment, that it isn't all fun. There is hard work, and you kind of have to pave your own way. 18 months into kind of my working world, I started to struggle with my mental health. I think that was a big part down to the transition from education into the workplace, being so young in such a mature environment. There's still that macho-ness of kind of, what time do you get up in the morning? How far was the drive? And almost like a game in terms of who's there first in the morning. I think it's really difficult to kind of open up in that environment because there's so many people that don't necessarily get it. I think more people need to be okay with talking. More people need to be understand how to listen to those people that are talking. Beyond that, there needs to be change from kind of tier 1 contractors that support people in the industry more through kind of legislation within health and safety.
So get construction talking. I'm going to volunteer this. 5 years ago, I was suicidal. Everyone suffers with mental health. 1 in 4 people is affected with it right now. It's probably our biggest health concern. Beyond medical, mental is a huge implement. So talk to each other, reach out, be good to each other. And in the immortal words of Bill and Ted, be totally excellent to each other. And do talk, because this is something we need to break down. We've got far too much toxic masculinity in our sector. And it's something that needs to be broken because our numbers, I mean, over the last 10 years, we've seen a massive drop in preventable suicide in our sector. However, those numbers have plateaued and they've been plateauing for the last few years. So please talk to each other, try and instill mental health programs in your businesses. On Thames Tideway, they have green hard hats. So visibly you can see someone who's trained as a mental health first aider. So if you're in crisis, you know who you need to go and talk to. Something as simple as that can prevent a tragedy. And but you don't have to be suicidal. If you're having a bad day or a couple of bad days or a month of bad days, talk to someone. It really does help build you up. So thank you. Right, where will you go today? This worked so well yesterday. I was only expecting like 10, 20% of people to scan this and engage. So I was blown away. Within like 2 minutes, I'd had 55 people respond. So tomorrow, all phones down, got a few more people. If you've not used a QR code before, just aim your camera at that. You'll get a link pop up on the screen, click it, and off you go. So today we have, in the morning, comms and 5G, digital twin technologies and sustainability. We're just trying to balance the load across the rooms because we've got 3 different sized rooms. So we're just trying to put most popular track into the largest room, etc. Blimey, 32 votes, 43 votes. Bloody hell, that's coming in quick. Excellent. I'm going to move on to the second afternoon now. So go to the afternoon. How do I go to the afternoon? Oh, I should have practiced this bit. Day 2 afternoon. There we go. Hopefully that's come up on your screens. Fantastic. So this afternoon, we've got modern methods of construction, safety, wellbeing, and open mic session. So 5 votes, 13 votes. Awesome. This is brilliant. I love it when technology works. Superb. Thank you very much. I'll leave that open and yeah, what we'll do is the screens around the venue will put where each of the talks is, so you'll be able to see. I'll do that now whilst Jack's giving his keynote. Yes, of course, QR code. There we go. So if anyone didn't manage to scan it, brilliant, thank you. Fantastic. Righto. So without further ado,